maganda kasi sa produkto natin, pag bumili, uulit at uulit sila. So yung kita mo, tuloy. Hindi tayo number 1 because we are affordable. Hindi tayo number 1 dahil tayo ay superior. Number 1 po tayo kasi napakarami natin napapagaling na tao.
When marimba ripples start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with ease. When you dance, you have to stay with me, stay with me, sway with me. Exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you and love. Life's sweetest reward.
Morning guys, no. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa VMB, no. Grabe dahil kumpleto lahat, no. Pagdating mo pa lang dito, libre na tutulugan mo, swimming pool, magayate ka, at the same time hindi lang ako, buong grupo ko kasama pa. Thank you VMB.
Hi VMB! We're here at Subic Bay Yacht Club. We are from Dumaguete, Stocking Statuary for just this month, May 2024. And look at us, we are all out here for free. So this is what VMB is giving you. Not just the support financially, but also physically and emotionally. So thank you VMB. Come now, join us.
Yes, thank you Sir Roy. Dinala mo ako dito sa VMB. Hindi ko akalain na mararanasan ko to. Lahat free. Thank Prolific. Go lang. Tara na.
Thank you VMB sa opportunity nito. Thank you din kay God at the same time sa mga upline ko. Thank you so much for this. Nakapagsubig ako. Ayan. So napakasaya. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much Sir Jeff and sa buong staff ng VMB. Dahil sa kanila, nandito po sa Subic Yate. So maraming salamat po kasi lahat libre. Pagkain, accommodation, and all. So ang maganda po niyan, gusto mong sumama sa amin, VMB ang sagot dyan.
By the way, I am Michael Toledo and I'm all the way from Negros Oriental. Andito po kami ngayon sa Subic. And forever grateful po kami sa thank you so much VMB. Kasi po yung background ko po, ako po isang high school graduate na tao na may malaking pangarap at andito po ako ngayon sa Subic together with the VMB company, sa lahat ng mga business partners. This is really a great opportunity para sa ating lahat po, kaya sabayan po natin lahat ng mga tao may mga pangarap. Ito na po yung daan para we can make our dreams into reality. Thank you so much and God bless po. Kita-kita po tayo ulit.
Kung ba ng libreng bakasyon? VMB ang sagot dyan. I'm Vincent Kapati from Driven Community at maraming salamat VMB dahil libre lahat, sagot lahat ng company.
Gusto niyo na magandang buhay? VMB ang sagot dyan.
We are driven! Thank you VMB from Team Icon! VMB!